Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on a Nissan Rogue. This is the third generation that covers from 2021 up to 2026. So let's jump in. This is super easy. We're going to get this right here. Take your backhand and bring it here. Take this hand and we're going to pull out with this. Boom. And it's just a clip just like that. These little plastic, there's little clips right there that this clips into. Make sure you have the right direction. It fits into place. You can see how this, follows the contour of that little inlet. Then push firm. Boom. Yeah, and you kind of have to go like this. So it comes out this way. And then as you get it back in, make sure you're in that those little notches and push it there. Other things I'd recommend is clean your back window here. That'll help keep that blade last a little longer. And yeah, run some washer fluid, clean this, throw a new blade on, and you'll be all set. If this is helpful, give me a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.